This is first time feeding of this baby. First trail of feeding to the baby. Poor sucking power of baby. Here is no strong power of sucking. What you think about this baby and what are your suggestions? What's wrong with this baby? What you think? Why the sucking power is so poor? When you give feed to your baby, wash your hands and feeding equipment thoroughly with soap and water. Sterilize the feeding equipment and boil water for 5 to 10 minutes. Boil clean water and allow it to cool for no more than 30 minutes. Taking care to avoid scalding or the suggested amount of the boiled water, see feeding table into the sterilized feeding equipment. Add the suggested number of level scoops of BF1 powder or another milk. See feeding table to the boiled water using enclosed scoop. Taking care to avoid scalding, keep the equipment and shake gently until the powder is completely dissolved. Cool the solution to feeding temperature by holding the equipment under running tap water or by placing in a container of cold water. Checking the temperature on your wrist before feeding. These are some suggestions for your baby feeding. Always use shield feeder. Shield feeder is very best. The mother milk is essential for baby. If there is some problem in mother milk, for example, no sufficient milk for baby, or mother away from baby, you can give him formula milk, but choose standard company milk like Morinaga, Niji, etc. If the baby have mother near, only and only give mother milk to baby. نخرج بس ده ولا طاقة.
Tanah susu tahu pasti kan.
عشان يقول الأرض بس ده
Itu nasaran kalau bisa kayak itu memang beda kan.
مش طيب شوانا.
Nah, paling no. Siru beda kan ya awal. Yang beli terkart atau jangan beli terkart. Admit kau ni. Masuk kini.
بس تصور وقت ولا فانش لو بوصل كل ما نبيها خبرة ورا الغالي انه سعر الوكيشي او وبعدين بتشيل فالكيس ده ولا Quando riuscivo cosa no sei proprio funziona cosa ti voglio dire per me se non ho sarebbe che se viene anche c'è perché se non mi dice ده ايه ده روحي دي بدوس وطلع والنور بتندر بقى ما عندك اللي بقاك
ده دون جلد اللي تختار زي كده
ده طول الفريزي كده في درجة الفريزي اما شو كوز تو سكشن पे او पे से रसूल पुस्तक है वो दे दे पायो हो जे बंद है